one, given that A is related to B if and only if A cubed is equivalent to B cubed mod 5, we're going to prove in this video that R is an equivalence relation on the set of natural numbers. So the second part we're going to do in a separate video right after this one. All right, so for this one, let's talk about what this means. Basically, this means if we have X is equivalent to Y mod 5, it's defined as X minus Y equals 5m for some m in the integers class. So in simple terms, it means that Y is the remainder when X is divided by 5. So Y is the remainder when X is divided by 5. For example, 18 is equivalent to 3 mod 5. So if I divide 18 by 5, you'll get 15 with the remainder of 3. Or you could say 18 minus 3 equals 15. Therefore, it's divided by 5. Another one, 27 is equivalent to 2 mod 5. So if you divide 27 by 5, you get, if you just do this longhand, 5 goes into 27 5 times with 2 remainder, and that's it. Or you could just say 27 minus 2 is equal to mod 5, or to 5m. Say it's just 5m. Because 25 is divisible by 5. If you divide 25 by 5, m would equal 5. So that gives you your 5 right there. All right, so let's prove it. We have to show, to prove that it's an equivalence relation, we have to prove reflexive, symmetric, and transitive. So reflexive, we need to show that, first of all, we have A related to B if and only if A cubed is equivalent to B cubed mod 5. So what we want to write is A is related to B if and only if A cubed minus B cubed equals 5m for some m that belongs to the integers. All right, so A related to A, the reflexive part, is true because A cubed minus A cubed equals 5m, and that would be for m equals 0. So R is reflexive. Now for the symmetric part, we know that A is related to B if and only if A cubed minus B cubed equals 5m. So what we want to show is we know that B cubed minus, and I'm switching the A's and B's, A cubed equals negative 5m. And so we could say B cubed minus A cubed equals 5n, where n belongs to the integers. And we can say n equals negative 5m. So since that's true, we know that B is related to A. Hence, R is symmetric. And for transitive, we're going to write A is related to B if and only if a cubed minus b cubed equals 5m, and b is related to c. We need a c here. If and only if b cubed minus c cubed equals 5n. And this is where n and m is integer. So let's put this together. We're going to have a cubed minus b cubed, add those, plus b cubed minus c cubed, and that's going to equal 5m plus 5n. Therefore, when you simplify, you're going to get a cubed, these cancel out, minus c cubed equals 5. We factor out the 5m plus n. So if you want to call this, let's call this p. So we have a cubed minus c cubed equals 5p, where p is an integer and p is going to equal your m plus n. Therefore, a is related to c. Therefore, r is transitive. So that's our proof. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.